Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 4, today I am going to take your English language class. And now today's topic is sentence. That means we will do the revision class of sentence. And we all know that there are 5 types of sentences. And what are they? Could you remember? Yes, assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory sentence. So let's start the class today. Now look, at first we will have a review of the types of the sentence. And there are 5 types of sentences. And what are they? Assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. And assertive sentence makes a statement, right? And interrogative sentence is used to ask question. And the imperative sentence expresses order, request, advice, command, suggestion, proposal, etc. And the optative sentence expresses a prayer or a wish or a blessing or a curse also. And the exclamatory sentence expresses a sudden feeling or a strong emotion like joy or happiness or when you are sorrow or your anger or when we become a surprise. And in exclamatory sentence you will always find a exclamation mark. We need to use a exclamation mark, right? And in interrogative sentence we will at the end of a sentence we will use a question mark, otherwise it will not, will not be a interrogative sentence. And remember, in assertive sentence and imperative sentence and in optative sentence we will give a full stop at the end of the sentences, and we will use interrogative in interrogative sentence we will use a question mark, or we will give, put a question mark at the end of the sentence. And in exclamation in exclamatory sentence you will use a exclamation mark. And now we will do the exercise of the sentences, and we have done it before, and let's have a review today. Now look, what is the instruction? Identify and write the type of the following sentences. So there are some sentences, you need to identify them at first, and then you will write the type of the sentence. And the first sentence is, may Allah save you. Now look, may Allah save you. It is a prayer or a wish. So it is a what? It is a optative sentence. So we will write here optative. Now we will go to the next sentence. Number B, how exciting the game is. And now look, at the end of the sentence there is a exclamation mark. And how exciting the game is, that means it is a expression of wonder or surprise. So it is a exclamatory sentence. So we write here exclamatory. Now number C, take care of your health. Now look, this sentence express a suggestion, so it will be a what? It will be an imperative sentence. So a suggestion or an advice, take care of your health. So we will write here imperative. Now we will go to the next sentence, number D. The sun rises in the east, and it is a statement. So it will be, yes, you are right, it will be assertive sentence. So, and we will write here assertive. Now we will go to the next sentence. Number E, which book do you need? And now look, at the end of the sentence there is a question mark, and we are asking something, right? So it will be an interrogative sentence. Now number F, we should never tell a lie. And my dear students, it is also a statement. So what will you write here? Yes, you will write here adjective. Now we will go to number D. Hush, the old man is asleep. So now look, there is an exclamation mark. So, and it is expresses our emotion. So it is an exclamatory sentence. Now we will go to number 8. Doesn't the teacher teach us English? And we are asking the question, and at the end of the sentence there is a question mark. So it is an interrogative sentence. Now number I. May you shine in future. Now look, there is a wish for someone. So it is an optative sentence. And now the last one, number 8. Please give me a glass of water. Now look at this sentence, please. That means we are requesting for a glass of water. So it expresses a request. So it is an imperative sentence. And you all have done this exercise before, and today is the revision class. And dear students, you will exercise this, you will practice this exercise at your home, and you will do the homework, and this is homework number 19. You will do the homework which is done today. Now look, there are some exercise from sentence. There are, and what is it? Identify and write the type of the following sentences. That means at first you will go through these sentences, then you will identify and you will practice it at your home, and then you will do it as your homework. So this is the exercise from the types of sentences, and you will do it as your homework, and this is homework number 19. So dear students, your CW will be easier HW today. My dear students, all of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on time, and when? On every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. So dear students, all of you practice a lot and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.